Hey, this is Spencer with LARPCom. I'm here at the range. I'm going to get some practice. I'm going to break in the Glock 17 Gen 6. I'll go over my kit. Shaw Concepts ARC V2 carrier with the ARC V4 placard with the RAM inserts. Large nerd pouch, small nerd pouch, RAID V3 or 4, whatever the latest gen of RAID pouch is. These are Haley Strategic single mag pouches. I've got the Haley Strategic D3 war belt with the Blackhawk drop leg system, the Blackhawk T2 holster, Glock 17 Gen 6, Haley Strategic single mag pouches with mandible straps attaching them and the M2 insert, Haley Strategic double mag pouch with the M2 insert, Haley Strategic single rifle mag pouch with the M2 insert. I'm gonna break in the Glock 17 and go from there. Hope that helps.